In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR code in Microsoft Excel. We'll build QR codes right inside a spreadsheet using a single formula so you can generate one or hundreds in seconds. I'll walk you through preparing your data, entering the formula, and then filling it down to create a whole list of codes. Start by opening Excel 365 in your browser. The web version makes this especially smooth because it can fetch images from the internet directly into a cell. Once your workbook is open, set up your data. In a clean sheet, type the link or the piece of text you want to encode into a cell, for example, in A2. Each row in that column can hold a different URL, product code, or note, whatever you want turned into a QR code. Next, move to the cell where you want the QR code to appear, such as B2, and enter this formula exactly. Image https://quickchart.io/qr text and encode URL A2. Here's what it's doing. Encode URL takes whatever is in A2 and safely formats it for the web so special characters don't break the link. That formatted text is passed into the QuickChart QR endpoint, which instantly generates a QR image on the fly. The image function then displays that image directly inside your Excel cell. If your data isn't in A2, just change the cell reference to match where your text lives. You'll need an internet connection for the image to load. Press enter, and the QR code will appear right in the cell. If it looks clipped or too tiny, simply widen the column or increase the row height so the code is easy to scan. You can also center the image in the cell for a cleaner layout and zoom your sheet if you want a closer look. To create QR codes for an entire list, use the fill handle. Click the cell with the formula, then drag the small square in the corner down through the rows that contain your data. Excel will automatically update the reference for each row, and you'll see a column of QR codes populate. If any cells take a moment to load, give them a second. The images are being pulled from the web. If a code doesn't show, double check the formula and make sure there aren't extra spaces in your data. That's all there is to it. With one formula, you can turn any list of links or text into ready-to-scan QR codes right inside Excel. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your QR-enabled spreadsheets.